In the world of textiles, quality isn't just an act. It is a habit. It is a discipline. Welcome to AOL Apparel. Since our inception, we have evolved from a manufacturing unit into a global partner for the world's leading fashion markets. Today, we stand as a robust manufacturing facility powered by a dedicated workforce of over 200 skilled professionals. Our vertically integrated process begins at the source. From premium yarn sourcing to our latest circular knitting department, we control the fabric quality from the very first thread. Once knitted and dyed to perfection, the fabric moves to our cutting department. Here, precision is paramount, setting the stage for the most critical phase of production. The heart of AOL Apparel is our stitching floor. Equipped with 100 state-of-the-art machines, we utilize a powerful mix of Juki, Suruba, and Kingtex technology. This blend of machinery allows us to handle complex designs with speed and accuracy. With integrated printing and embroidery capabilities, we bring brand identities to life with vibrant colors and intricate details. Quality assurance is embedded in our workflow. Our finishing department follows a rigorous cycle: cropping, pressing, and final checking. Every garment is inspected to ensure it meets international standards before it ever reaches the packing carton. We are committed to ethical and sustainable manufacturing. We are proud to be certified by ISO 9001, RAP, SEDEX, and OECOTEX, ensuring safety for our workers and quality for our customers. This commitment to excellence has taken us global. We proudly export to major markets including the UK, Ireland, Germany, and France. We are the trusted manufacturing partner for prestigious licensed products for Oxford University, Cambridge University, and the University of Edinburgh. Precision, compliance, excellence. We are AOL Apparel.